What's up, guys? Justin here with Texas Ally. I hope you're having a good day. Wanted to talk to you guys about investing in recessionary, contractionary environments, much like what we're experiencing today. I cannot emphasize enough, this is the time for you to pay attention, for me to pay attention, for all of us, if you're intending to try to get something for yourself, whether it's personal or like a residential for yourself, or even for investment. The deals are happening now. Interest rates high, equities, the asset prices are going down in the moment. And so if you're in the position and you're able to, and there's definitely instruments where you can lean on. So like the very first property I ever purchased was with an FHA, and we only put like $3,500, $4,000. It was a little tiny $100,000 house, and we doubled up. We crushed it, you know. The deals, and that was in the last recession, in the wake of the last recession. I think we got about 12 to 24 months. I think the metagame's way more savvy, so equity and the discounts disappear faster now. The average investor is way more savvy. And your head needs to be on a swivel. I don't know what else to say except for pay attention to the macro news. Actively start looking for deals. Interest rates are high, obviously. It's one of the reasons. That's what's killing the economy, killing the real estate game right now. But I love this saying that one of my colleagues I've known forever uses. It says, "You date the rate, you marry the house." You know, recessions come and go. Bailouts come and go as well. They drop interest rates. And Jerome Powell, the chair of the Federal Reserve, has already demonstrated that he'll drop rates to zero if it means saving the economy. So we already know someone's willing to do whatever's necessary to bail out the economy. And I think a lot of other people are thinking that, and that's why he's doubling down on his rhetoric and all that fun stuff. But and then I guess lastly, just make sure you're talking to your team, talking to your tribe, talking to whoever your colleagues are. You should be cross-pollinating your investment knowledge and your macro knowledge. And you're just gonna, it's almost like stereopsis, you know, when you got a second set of eyes, it helps you triangulate what's actually happening, you know? So that's it. I want to keep these short. Let me know if you have any questions.